Watch till she lifts her leg up while going around that ground. She tries to do it here.
Where? Right
But
now?
that horse just a little too close
Oh,
there.
it is.
That's all right. This next horse here is again, I like this horse. Brianna Lunders, Cannington, Ontario. Katie's first plane is the horse. Another third generation rodeo cowboy. Cowgirl, sorry, cowgirl. Cowgirl. Brianna Lunders, Cannington, Ontario. Come on, Bree. Check that horse out. Look at that. Now watch the speed, watch the stride. Okay, out there. Okay. Everybody just breathe for a second. Jennifer Rosswood.
Oh, look at that flash horse.
Oka, Quebec. True to Fame is the name of the horse. Any single fellows here tonight that want to have an airways or girlfriend volunteer to be one of these races. That's how, just a little insider there, that's how you do that. Sometimes people wait, but you gotta be a racer.
I'm allowed to.
And you could have
Oh, Ottawa.